Hey guys, Gavin, Gino Garage here. Today we're going to be doing an update video on the 86, the 56, the Gino Garage, and we're going to be taking the 56 to a local car show. Let's go. So the 86 now has a 4L80E electronic transmission in it. And it's running the Quick 2 US shift transmission controller. Let's go ahead and get rolling here. So things have been pretty crazy with the Gino Garage lately. Alrighty, this is the new home of the Gino Garage. Alright, so moving inside the shop real quick. Just a quick overview. We've still got our toolbox and everything. Tool bench from the old shop, but it's been upgraded. Got stuff on display now. Pops' 55 and Branson's Beetle. And then I've also got a new bed and a rear axle to swap in for my truck, so that'll be in a future video. And then we've got all of our parts and spare engines and everything that we need in one place finally. So it's really been great to have an enclosed space to have vehicles and do projects overnight. We've done several things in here already. I think she's all the way back down. Cherry now. Oh my God. Good morning. Who's that guy?
Lucas, gotta see my car.
All right, we're going to check out the 56 at the old G&L garage. So all of our stuff has been moved out of here. And in its place, we have the humble 56 Chevy. So the last time we saw this thing, it was running like poop and it had a 5-speed manual in it.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
And
So the engine still looks the same, but we figured out the problem. So, us being young and stupid, we did not know that the 60s style cylinder heads,
different type of spark plug.
different type of spark plug. So,
We had the wrong spark plugs in it, and they weren't sealing properly. We had the tapered type, it needed the flat washer type. So once we fixed that, it ran great.
and you're about to hear right now, this thing fires right up. But we had to bring it in here the other day because there was a threat of hail, and even though this thing's a barn car, we didn't really want it to get beat up. We've been doing some sneak peek work over there. But yeah, there's the original 6-cylinder, and there's some of our stuff still that we haven't moved, but let's go ahead and see how this thing fires up. It's been a week or two. Like nothing even happened. This thing also has no choke as well. All right. So we've been doing a little bit of work to the 56's paint. So we have been removing the 56's old, crappy maroon paint to reveal the original Matador red and white. All right, I'll pick this up when we're getting close to the car show, and we'll see you guys there. All right, I did a pretty bad job of recording once we got to the car show, but I did take a lot of pictures, so enjoy a slideshow of some of our favorite vehicles that we saw today. Alright guys, so I did kind of a poor job recording footage at the car show today, but I got a lot of great pictures, so hopefully you'll enjoy that slideshow. I'm gonna get some video of us taking the 56 home, and then we'll see you guys in the next video.
We gonna sit ducks while the ponies fair.